गाइडिंग लैंप की तरह है।
In a bid to promote tourism, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today launched the tourism vehicle for tour operators and individuals. As part of the scheme, the government rolled out 16 Innova Crista today. The luxury vehicles will provide high-quality mobility and will enhance the overall experience of the tourists. The Tourism Department shortlisted 50 individuals and groups from over 600 applicants who had applied for the scheme. The government is providing a 50% subsidy under the scheme, which includes repayment of loan for the next 2 years.
On an annual basis, we have, as of now, we have roughly about 60,000 youths who join the workforce every year. And this is based on the data of 18 years back, the birth rate, and based on that, on the 18 years, we presume that a person is ready to work and joining the workforce. So if you were to go with that explanation and that kind of justification, then roughly about 60,000 youths are joining the workforce every year. And 18 years from now, we will have 80,000 youths joining the workforce every year.